Thousands of organizations worldwide are looking to hire in DevOps, making it one of the hottest trends in software engineering right now.
I have worked in software development for over 15 years, and in my current role as a DevOps consultant in London, I am seeing an enormous demand for software developers who know DevOps, and especially the people who know it and are able to teach DevOps ways of working to the rest of their organization. These are skills that practically every technology company is currently hiring for.
This is why we built a course that teaches you the 15 most popular DevOps tools and all the important DevOps concepts such as continuous delivery and continuous improvement and how to implement them in practice.
The course is split into two parts. First, I'll teach you why DevOps ways of working help deliver better software. What is continuous delivery? Why do continuous improvement? And finally, the design principles of modern application environments. After this, we'll get to the second part, which is about the how, meaning how you can use the most popular DevOps tools to implement automation, infrastructure as code, and self-service interfaces on modern cloud platforms. We'll cover the latest DevOps tools such as Docker, Terraform and Ansible, pipeline automation tools like Jenkins and GitLab CI, and cloud providers like Amazon Web Services and Google Cloud Platform.
As a student, you will get access to all the code examples in the course and are free to use them as starting points in your own projects.
My goal as an instructor is not only to teach my students all about DevOps, but to enable my students to teach others. And I think that's the essence of working as a DevOps specialist. Being able to teach, coach, and mentor your colleagues to deliver better software faster using DevOps tools and methodologies.
Kickstart your journey to DevOps and enroll now!